Hey guys, welcome to the aftermath of the Ohio State clock. We need to check two main important things. First thing,
Look at me meticulously building this project from the ground up.
so let's get started.
After all, the turtle won for a reason, right? It's definitely not boring and slow and meticulously and super hard.
See if I can get this working.
Oh boy, here we go. Oh, what's that, Matthew? You want to tell me a secret? Oh my god. Can I tell the public? Matthew just told me. The more and more I delay my video and not show it out to the world, more and more he gets sick. And if I don't show out this video, Ohio State may always prevail over Texas.
What a poor soul.
Matthew, say less. Time to build.
Now we have the background that we needed. Let's go ahead and add our